You know what my problem is right now at this very moment in time? It's people complaining about the weather outside. Let me tell you something right now. It is Cleveland, Ohio, technically. I mean, I am in Eastlake, which is, you could say it's further out. It's the greater Cleveland area. You know, the whole area in and of itself, that area of Ohio, has never had weather that was considered normal or, you know, in season. I remember about 10 Christmases ago, or winters ago, I should say, at the end of 2000, there was no snow at all. On Christmas Day, it snowed a bit, but then it stopped. That was it. Didn't snow again until the next year. I remember January 1st, my brother and I were doing yard work in, you know, t-shirts and shorts. What is that? That's Cleveland. So it's really making me angry that people are the weather is so bad. It's normal. It's nothing different. And it's only getting worse. I can't even figure out what it is you're trying to tell. I'm trying to tell you that the weather is fine, but you're complaining like in every Facebook status update. And you know, I try to make a status about something else, and then you mention the weather on that status, and no matter what I do, and then this stupid questionnaire pops up. What do you think of Cleveland weather and LeBron? What is this? So I just want you to know that I'm aggravated. I'm hurt. You know, positioned on a very personal level here. To know that you people want me to know how much you hate Cleveland weather. There's other states here, you know, in this great nation of America. And there's other nations on this planet. If you really hate the weather that bad, then move. Otherwise, join the rest of us who have resolved to accept our role in freezing to death. And say, hello, snow. I didn't think you'd gone. I told you the wind was coming back and the ice would come with it. But you didn't believe me. No, it's just, most people will say, I mean, even every now and then I'll say, gosh, it's still cold. Wow, what is this? But there's people they'll write a status message on Facebook that says like, oh my God, I'm going to die. The world is over, and I can't do anything because there's snow in the air. It's not cold enough to where it's making, you know, we're sticking to the ground, but it's in the air, and it's going to last till at least 5 o'clock tonight. Oh my God. That's what people like in really hot places. That's how they react when there's snow. Cleveland, we know there's snow. We get a little flutter. We're like, oh look, it's spring outside. And it's like that. But when I walk outside and the snow is up to my knees, that's when I say, I think it snowed last night. That's how Clevelanders act. We didn't get any snow this year. We got a bunch of cold days, and there was just like a white powder cloud fell down and then disappeared. Fell down, disappeared. But real snow, there's maybe 2 days where it was really that bad in Cleveland, Ohio. For the time being, right now, this has actually been one mild winter. It's just been very spread out. It's like when you're running out of butter or you're running out of mayonnaise. You try to spread it so thin over such a big piece of bread. Bread doesn't seem so big when you have a lot. But when you have a little and you try to spread it, oh, goodness. But at the same time, that mayonnaise goes so far. And when you're done, there's still some left on the knife to scrape on the side of your finger or on the container or on the sink or something. There's always still some left. That's ridiculous. So we've spread our winter very thin because we didn't have a lot of snow to come this year. And there's still some sitting on that knife. So maybe we're at the end of it. Maybe we're at the end, and maybe it's going to continue. I don't have a crystal ball in front of me, so I can't answer that question for you. What I'm trying to do, however, is ease your mind a bit about what's going on out there with the snow. I mean, you can put in your air conditioner and turn off your heaters and everything, but I don't think that's a very wise idea, at least not until somebody can go swimming in the lake or in a swimming pool somewhere without getting frostbite. So that's about it. Man, that was 3 back-to-back. I'm a little tired. So I'm going to go play Mario Galaxy 2 and hope that the cat doesn't mess me up the second time.